Hi everyone, I'm Jan, the developer of PageGrid, a commercial site builder module for the CMS ProcessWire. And in this video I want to show you how you can use PageGrid as a flexible developer tool to build custom websites and how PageGrid integrates into ProcessWire. Let me start by highlighting some of PageGrid's core concepts. Unlike many other site builders, PageGrid gives you complete control over the markup and structure of your front end. PageGrid items are ProcessWire pages that are defined through native ProcessWire templates and fields. You can use PageGrid to build specific sections or parts of your custom-coded website, or you can use it as a full-blown site builder that can work without any coding. PageGrid offers an intuitive editor experience that's easy to learn for clients. Editing and design features can be controlled through ProcessWire's native roles and permission system. Whether it's the style panel, the drag and drop or resize features of PageGrid, you have complete control over who can access these features. The design feature, such as the style panel, is completely optional and is meant to be used by experienced users, such as developers and designers. You can think of it as an alternative way to write your CSS code and can compare it to developer tools in Chrome browser, for example, where it's really fast to make CSS changes through your website and where you get immediately visual feedback and see what you are changing. But this is completely optional, so you can disable these features in the settings. You can use your code editor to write CSS, or you can even bring your own CSS framework if you like. PageGrid really makes no assumptions about how you write your CSS code. PageGrid is not just for grids. You can actually use it for sorting something in a vertical axis only. You can let people sort a grid. You can completely define it through CSS. This is something that PageGrid makes no assumptions about. Another powerful feature of PageGrid is nesting, and while this feature is completely optional, it's quite useful for a lot of cases. You can define a block as a container and can define what kind of templates are accepted for the children. If a user adds a new child to a block, PageGrid creates a child page of that parent block. So PageGrid actually mirrors the block structure as a page hierarchy in ProcessWire, which makes it very easy to query your data with ProcessWire's API. For code examples, you can take a look at the pre-made blocks like the accordion, the slider or the group block. They are all built with the children's feature. If you want to learn more about PageGrid, I recommend checking out the PageGrid developer documentation, where you can find code examples and step-by-step guides for everything PageGrid.